friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to start with FMG Quick Revision 2019 remaining part. So let's get started. A lady comes to OPD after fall from scooty. Her vitals are stable. She is having continuous clear water discharge from nose after 2 days. There are most likely the feature of option number A, CSF rhinorrhea. Option number B, acute respiratory infection. Option number C, middle cranial fossa fracture. Option number D, rhinitis. So here correct answer is CSF rhinorrhea. Next one, office headache is due to inflammation of which sinus? Option number A, frontal. Option number B, maxillary. Option number C, ethmoidal. Option number D, sphenoid. So here correct answer is A, frontal. Next one, Adam's apple in male is due to option number A, thyroid cartilage. Option number B, cricoid cartilage. Option number C, hyoid cartilage. Correct answer here A, thyroid cartilage. Next one, most prominent and large air cell of ethmoidal sinus. Option number A, Agar-Nessy cell. Option number B, Heller cell. Option number C, Onodi cell. Option number D, Bulla ethmodalis. So correct answer here Bulla ethmodalis. Next one, most common presentation of nasopharyngeal carcinoma. Option number A, neck lymph node. Option number B, blockage of nose. Option number C, loss of smell. Option number C, blood tint discharge. Correct answer here A, neck lymph node. Next one, EBV associated with herpes var virus. Option number A, nasopharyngeal carcinoma. Option number B, esophageal cancer. Option number C, gastric cancer. So correct answer here A, nasopharyngeal carcinoma. Next one, all of the following is true about Meniere's disease except option number A is idiopathic. Option B, low frequency hear loss. Option number C, increase endolymph. V, destroying the cochlea is mandatory. So here correct answer is D. Next one, investigation used for CSF rhinorrhea or are except option number A, CT cystonogram. Option number B, skull X-ray. Option number beta 2 transferrin. Option number D, nasal endoscopy. Correct answer here D, nasal endoscopy. Next one, treatment of choice in nasopharyngeal carcinoma. Option number A, chemotherapy. Option number B, radiotherapy. Option number C, chemo given with radiation. Option number D, surgery. So here correct answer here B, radiotherapy. Next one, a 6-year-old boy came to hospital with complaint of sore throat and difficulty in swallowing. His left tonsils were pushed medially. What will be the diagnosis? Option number A, peritonsillar abscesses. B, retropharyngeal abscesses. C, Ludwig's angina. D, parapharyngeal abscesses. So correct answer here D, parapharyngeal abscesses. Next one, identify condition in the shown image. So you can see in this image, this is the impetigo contagiosa. B, contact dermatitis. C, molluscum contagiosum. On D, herpes simplex virus. So it is correct answer here A, impetigo contagiosa. Next one, exclamation mark hair pattern seen in option number A, alopecia areata. B, androgenic alopecia. B, anagen influgum. So correct answer here alopecia areata. Next one, what is the name of appearance which is seen in the plagra? So you can see in this diagram. Now see the option. A, word. B, castle neck appearance. C, shawl sign. D, cotton papule. So here correct answer here B, castle neck appearance. Next one, a lady with 50% TVSA burn with involvement of dermis subcutaneous tissue come to emergency department. Burn will be classified as option number A, first degree. Option number B, second degree superficial. Option number C, second degree deep. D, third degree burn. So correct answer here D, third degree burn. Next one, identify the abnormal condition. So in this diagram you can see. So now option A, testicular torsion. B, hydrocele. C, varicocele. D, testicular atrophy. So correct answer here testicular torsion. Next one, rodent ulcer is option number A, basal cell cancer. B, squamous cell cancer. C, rhinophyma. D, adenocarcinoma. So correct answer here A, basal cell cancer. Next one, most common oral cancer. Option number A, squamous cell cancer. B, adenocarcinoma. C, transition cell cancer, or D, mucoepidermoid. So here correct answer here A, squamous cell carcinoma. Next one, distal ileum removed in a 20-year-old girl, which absorption will be seen? Option number A, iron, B, bile salt, C, folic acid, D, copper. So correct answer here B, bile salt. Next one, 62-year-old female has kidney stone and treated with PCNL. After 2 days she again come with OPD with chills and fever. What is the complication? Option number A, bacterial sepsis, B, acute pancreatitis, C, splenic injury, and D, ureteric stricture. Correct answer here A, bacterial sepsis. Next one, cellulitis is option number A, non-suppurative and non-invasive, suppurative and non-invasive, and suppurative and invasive, and non-suppurative and invasive. So here correct answer here C, suppurative and invasive. Next one, abdominal pain, fever and jaundice. This is thread is known as the option number A, Charcot thread, B, sand thread, C, Virchow thread. Correct answer here is Charcot thread. Next one, 20-year-old alcoholic patient walked to hospital with the complaint of being vomiting, chest pain, fever and pneumoperitoneum. The most probable condition, option number A, Vorhep syndrome, B, tension pneumothorax, C, PUD perforation, D, Mallory Westier. Correct answer here C, PUD perforation. Next one, 40-year-old patient with femur fracture with pulmonary infiltration and respiratory distress. So option is fat metabolism, B, pulmonary embolism, C, air embolism, D, obstruction. Correct answer here A, fat metabolism. Next one, which patient has better prognosis in breast cancer? Option number A, luminal A, B, luminal B, C, patient who has triple test negative, and D, patient who has triple test positive. Correct answer here A, luminal A. Next one, 32-year man presented with fever and pain in upper right hypochondrium after food intake. Investigation of choice, option number A, CECT, D, ultrasound, C, MRI, D, HRT. Correct answer here B, ultrasound. Next one, Alvarado score 2 defines as A, temperature, B, leukocytosis, C, tenderness in left iliac fossa, D, migratory pain. So correct answer here B, leukocytosis. Next one, a patient of varicose vein came to hospital, intern was on duty. Which test C cell performed to rule out DVT? D, vein thrombosis. Option number A, Perthes test, B, Brody-Lundberg test, C, Thomas test, D, over test. So correct answer here B, Brody-Lundberg test. Next one, prostatic cancer mostly seen in A, posterior, B, lateral, C, medial, D, anterior. Correct answer here posterior. Next one, early investigation of choice in genital tuberculosis. A, endometrial ablation, B, urine sample and chiasma staining, C, incision and curettage. So correct answer here is A, endometrial ablation. Next one, true about Crohn's disease except option number A, recurrence is more common, B, rectum is involved, C, fissure or foam, D, transmural. So correct answer here B, rectum is involved. Next one, patient underwent gastrectomy after eating with 20 minutes sweating, diarrhea. What could be the causes? Option number A, hyperglycemia, B, early dumping syndrome, C, late dumping syndrome, D, hypoglycemia. Correct answer here B, early dumping syndrome. Next one, in an accident case, after the arrival of medical team, all should be done in early management except A, stabilization of cervical vertebra, B, check BP, C, check respiration, D, Glasgow coma scale. So here correct answer is B, check BP. Next one, gynecomastia is seen in all except A, testicular failure, B, liver failure, C, kidney failure, and D, cimetidine. So correct answer here testicular failure. Next one, risk factor of esophageal carcinoma are all except A, GERD or gastroesophageal reflux disease, B, wattle chewing, C, oxalate food, D, spicy food. Correct answer here C, oxalate food. Next one, left kidney transplantation will be placed in which place? Option number A, iliac fossa, option number B, kidney fossa, option number C, retroperitoneal space. So here correct answer is A, iliac fossa. Next one, for severe malnutrition, MSC will be less than 14.5, 13.5, 12.5 or 11.5? So correct answer here D, 11.5. In marasmus, mid-arm muscle circumference is less than. Option number A 15, option number B 17, option number C 19, option number D 21. So correct answer here A 15. Next one, number of primary teeth. Option number A 20, option number B 24, option number C 16, option number D 32. So correct answer here A 20. Next one, 3-month-old baby with fever and respiratory rate 60, irritable, and we will feed, no stridor, no chest in drawing, no convulsion. Diagnosis: A pneumonia, B severe pneumonia, C very severe pneumonia, D no pneumonia. Correct answer here A pneumonia. Next one, all of the following are type of primary headache except A migraine, B cluster, C tension, D temporal arteries. So here correct answer is D temporal arteritis.